Hey, what's going on YouTube? Yet another unboxing. Now, this is the BLUESOUND Node 2i. It's basically a high-res streamer. The reason why I bought it is because the to me, I think the DAC in the 840 could be a little bit better. So I decided to go ahead and cop this thing because this is mainly going to be for music, for listening to music. But that's the only reason, really good reason for me to even buy it. It was because I need a better sound for music. So I heard that this is priced pretty good, which was $550, and I picked it up. I didn't want to spend so much money on a DAC that cost like over $1,000 because I'm more of a movie guy, but sometimes I do listen to music, and I feel like I need to be a little bit better listening to music. So that's why I bought this thing. Highly praised streamer, reasonably priced, and so why not? So let's open this thing up. I still got this plastic on. That made no sense. Alright, so let's see what's inside this box. First, it comes with this quick start guide. We'll be using this or looking at it because I have no idea how to work. This is my first time even buying a high-res streamer. Let's see what's in this box. It is the power cord. Two power cords. Oh, this is the international power cord. This is the States. This is the Ethernet cord, which is good, even though I have tons of it. This is a RCA to 3.5 millimeter, and this is the RCA. Now, I was trying to Google and see if these RCAs are actually good RCAs, but I couldn't really get a good answer, so I went ahead and brought some media bridge, not media bridge, is it media bridge? Monoprice, sorry, some monoprice RCAs, and use those instead, and maybe they'll work. Maybe they're good, maybe they're not. It also comes with this adapter for the Toslink, I think, yeah. And what's in this little box? Nothing, it's just for, so that's all that comes in this box. Basically everything you would ever need to run this thing. Also, if you're running on RCA, make sure you if you want to use the DAC inside of this, make sure you run it on RCA and not nothing digital. Make sure you run it on analog. If you run it on digital, then your receiver or your processor is gonna do the it's gonna be using the DAC. Pretty heavy. I thought it would be lighter, like a piece of plastic. It actually feels solid. And here's the unit itself. Pretty sturdy. See if you guys can see it. It's like a matte black. It's like rubberized a little bit. And here's the back. Like I was saying, if you're gonna use the DAC inside this, make sure you use this. This is the subwoofer out because it does have a DAC in it, so you can use it. Coax out. These two you're gonna use if you want to use the DAC on the receiver or processor. I don't see why, but it's there for you. Oh, this trigger and an optical IR blaster, Ethernet port, USB, power cord, and another USB. So that's all it comes with, and buttons on top. I think they're touchscreen. There's a light that lights up here. So that's basically what comes in the BLUESOUND. Back comes with the unit itself. Power cord for the States. Ethernet, RCAs, another power cord for the international people, and 3.5 millimeter. So that's all that comes in the box. And I'm gonna hook this bad boy up to the Onkyo and see how it sounds. So thanks for watching. Peace.